Hiya, welcome back. Now this is the front braking system, and it is possible to just bolt that straight on and dum-de-dum. But you can't do that, can you? Come on, look at the last video. I ended up having to rebuild that rear caliper completely. Now I'm hoping that I don't have to rebuild these. These are Nissan calipers from Bandit 1250, Bandit 1200. There's a whole heap of bikes that have them. And they're a common conversion for the ZX7R, and they are quite new and they are quite lovely, but they are quite dirty too. So they're going to get a clean first. I'm fingers crossed I haven't got to strip and rebuild these, because I shouldn't have to. They're in lovely condition, they're just dirty. So get the old pads out, pump the pistons out, clean around the gum lines, and see if they'll move in and out nice and freely, and that none of the dust seals are sticking out, and I can then just grease them up, pop the new pads in and put them back together. But if all else fails, I'll have to rebuild them. So wish me luck. Let's get stuck in. Nearly there. Right, there we are. Excellent, all ready to go. Now wiping off absolutely every little bit of excess rubber grease, because although it's high temperature heat resistant, it won't melt and flow or anything like that. There's no need to have excess grease around. It is where it needs to be, and that is a very thin layer of it between the face of the piston and the face of the seal, doing its job of lubricating that in and out as it goes and not contaminating anything else. Right, next thing, get the new pads. A little tiny bit of copper slip on the back, as advised by EBC. Pop them in, clean the pins up, put it all together, then that's that one done, then start the other one. Like that, no need to rebuild, awesome. Right, that's that done. Let's quick have a recap. Right, there we are. Okay, all done for now. That's it. All this kind of assembly, this super fast assembly of all the cycle parts, wheels, swing arms going in, suspension going in, brakes all getting refurbished. That's all done now. Tick. Can check that off and move back to my favourite bit, which is fabrication. I've got a little pod to make on the tank for the Speedo. That's cool. I'm going to enjoy that. I'll do that probably before the tail, and then of course, as I said, I do want to get involved in making that completely unique, one-of-a-kind tail. In fact, to a few of you fast, the whole frame is going. The entire subframe that's there now, all of it. I'm going to strip it back to just literally to here. All of that back is going. I'm going to start all over again. I want to make something monocoque that doesn't actually have a subframe. I want it to be completely self-supporting all on its own. That means sheet metal, that means fabrication, that means my absolute favourite pastime. But I hate standing here chatting about what I'm going to do. That is so lame. I'm just going to crack on with it. You'll see it as it develops. You know you can trust me. It will be interesting. So there we are. I think that's everything for now. I really appreciate all of your amazing support. Thank you to the Patron team. You are making this possible. You have brought us to this point after 500 hours, and you're going to be taking us right to the finish, hopefully. So thank you to all the patrons. Thank you for everything you do for us. You mean a great deal. You're very special people, and you care for us, and we care very much for you. So thank you to everybody else. Thank you to the main viewers. All of you are making this worthwhile. Looking at the viewing figures now, 8, 9, 10,000 views on each video, and that is just incredible. Way back at the beginning, it was a fraction of that. So we really have engaged with you. You've engaged with this. No pressure. I'm going to do my best to make this a fantastic show-winning bike at the end. There we are. And yes, I have got the paint job in my head, but I'm not going to tell you yet because it was subject to change, like all things, like the tail. So there we go. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Ride safe. Keep warm. See you next time.